Well, here's a focus on how monsoon fury is wreaking havoc in parts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And Hyderabad has been worst hit. Already NDRF teams have been deployed. You have Telangana's Chief Minister also going all out and ensuring that all the residents and locals are evacuated, with the armed forces also on standby. 17 people so far have lost their lives. Even historical structures like Charminar could not withstand the flood. Here's a complete ground report.
"17 dead and still no relief." The incessant rain in Hyderabad and its low-lying areas continue to cripple the city. With the streets completely inundated, administration's apathy is on full display.
There's not many of the departments who have come and did an investigation or to even find out what is happening and how
this
we
is not just rainwater, sewage water all over.
It's definitely not just the rainwater. It's an industrial chemical water. The different nalas and domestic nalas from all over the parts of the city which rush into this place.
We tried to call the local MLA. There was no response from him. We tried him and he was trying to tell us in half an hour's time we are sending the municipal people to come and give some motors to pump out this water. But half an hour is over. 48 hours, no one has come up here.
With incessant rains lashing the historical Charminar, minor damages were inflicted on the historical monument. According to the Met Department, it's the worst rainfall Hyderabad has received in 108 years. And if predictions are correct, then it will continue for a few more days.
तो अगले 2 से 3 दिन तक अगर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की बात करें तो रेन वहाँ काफ़ी स्थानों पर चलती रहेगी। जहाँ तक हैवी की बात है तो वो कम हो जाएगी धीरे धीरे। आज 1-2 स्थानों पर हैवी टू वेरी हैवी मिलेगी और कल 1-2 स्थानों पर हैवी रेन मिलेगी।
But it's not only Andhra Pradesh and Telangana who are facing the wrath of nature. As the heavy downpour continues, a flood-like situation is also witnessed in neighbouring Karnataka, where major reservoirs are crossing the danger mark in Kalburgi district. 2 of the NDRF teams which were stationed in Hyderabad have been rushed to Kalburgi. Meanwhile, Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao is monitoring the whole situation very closely, has urged his administration to establish local control rooms in flood-affected areas so that the help can reach the marooned people. With heavy rains throwing life out of gear in 3 states, lack of preparedness of the administration has been exposed once again. Bureau Report, India Today.
Streets completely flooded, locals facing the nature's fury. This is the common scene these days in Hyderabad. My colleague Ashish is joining us from Begumpet area in Hyderabad. Ashish, can you tell us what's the situation today morning and which are the worst affected areas in and around Hyderabad?
Devina, today it's a slight of relief for the fellow Hyderabadis. It's the first working day and you can see behind me is the normal traffic. Since yesterday night, city has not received any kind of rain. Very few spells of rain city received yesterday night till this moment. Right now situation is under control, but apart from Hyderabad, the different districts of Telangana have received very heavy rainfall. That's why the central government has issued flood alert for the districts of Nizamabad, Adilabad, Karimnagar, as well as Khammam of Telangana. Neighboring state of Andhra Pradesh has also received flood alert from the central government. The district like Kurnool, East Godavari, West Godavari, they also put on high alert. Both the state CM has alerted all the local administration and have asked the local administration to evacuate all those people who are living in or residing in low-lying areas of river Krishna and Godavari. Definitely situation in Hyderabad has normalized a bit, but situation in other part of Telangana and Andhra is going more grim as fresh flood warning has been issued by central government. Apart from Andhra and Telangana, the neighboring Vidarbha and Marathwada of Maharashtra, as well as Hyderabad Karnataka region of Karnataka has also put on high alert because river Godavari and Krishna is receiving heavy rainfall in their catchment area, creating a flood-like situation in both these areas, Devina.
All right, Ashish, thanks for joining us with those details. Keep coming back to you through the day to understand how's the situation for locals in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.